Hello. It's 75 degrees here in South Carolina. The hardwoods are starting to bloom. Pollen's falling, so the next thing is turkey season. So with turkey season coming, you're going to be taking your old calls out and practicing with those, and then trying some new calls. Well, Bobby's getting ready to introduce you to a guy that's going to show you how easy it is to use a mouth call. We met this guy 25 years ago, and back then when we were doing our hunting videos, we would do our introductions. We would do them different from one video to the other, so it wouldn't be so boring doing the same thing. So I hope you enjoy this, and be back in a minute.
You just shot it, huh? I wish I could just catch one.
Oh, time out, cut, time out. All right, I got a great idea. We're just starting off. We've got 40 subscribers. If you'll subscribe and share our channel, we'll send you one of these Tucker cutters. It's the diaphragm that we use for years and years, and as long as they last, I'll send you one. All you have to do is send it to this address, Billy Bob's Call, 510 Crow Hill Drive, Yorktown, South Carolina. A self-addressed stamped envelope, and we'll send you one. All right, let's get back to the action.
Talking about a turkey or a fish?
Anything.
We'd like to thank everyone who helped us on this video. Oh no.
Getting a bite.
No.
Oh my goodness. What is this?
What you got there, Bill?
You're getting away. That's a nice one.
Hey, you can have him for lunch. I'm taking these and cleaning it.
Well, at least you got to clean it. You know how to make turtle soup?
Well, Bill's still fooling around with that turtle, and I'm stuck here cleaning these fish. We do a few hunting shows each year, and we ran across a fellow we think you're really going to enjoy meeting, Mr. C.F. Carrol.
What you have to do is get yourself a turkey call, and you get it into your mouth and make a sound out of it. Any sound. Once you hit the sound, then you have to get it so that you can hold it. Like that. And then you get a high note. How did I do that? I pressed it up against the roof of my mouth. And when I get a low note, I drop it down. And then we have the two notes put together. Put a word with it. And before long, you can call turkeys by putting the rhythm of the turkey. It goes. Now there's a lot of other things that you can do with that call, and you can really have fun with it. Because once that you learn how, you can do a lot of things, and here's some of the things that you can do. Or, you want to go predator hunting? Or do you want to go elk hunting? Or do you want to go turkey hunting? Some things like putting. Then you have to purr. Enter with a cluck. And then if you know all of those things, you're going to be a turkey hunter. And I know that we're going to have some really good ones here. Thanks a lot for coming and seeing me. Because we really... Don't be a wimp, okay? You've got to put it back in your mouth and try again. And here's where you go. I got a note out of it. Once you get the note, it's all right. Anyway, you get a high note.
We'll start over.
Oh, that's funny. I know y'all still laughing, but it's moments like that that's kept me filming for all these years. It's capturing that moment that one little moment where you can see it in the future. So Bobby and I, back in the late 80s, we were the first video company to come out featuring kids turkey hunting. Well, the name of those were From Jakes to Gobblers and Memories of a Lifetime. And that inspired me to get again with my buddy Bill Howard, and we sat down and wrote the words to this song you're getting ready to hear. And I don't know why it wasn't a top 10. Maybe it will this time since social media. But if any of you country and western people out there want that, give me a holler and let me know. We'll see what we can do. But it goes something like this. Seems like just a minute ago, me and Daddy were walking slow down a dirt road. He was leading me by the hand, teaching me how to live off the land and be a man. He taught me how to hunt and fish, and I could do anything I wish, anything. He taught me lessons I will never forget, like do what's in your heart, and you'll never have regrets. Like my father before me, I'm helping my son shine by giving him the memories of the lifetime.
Seems like just a minute ago, me and Daddy were walking slow down a dirt road. He was leading me by the hand, teaching me how to live off the land and be a man. He taught me how to hunt and fish, that I could be anything I wish, anything. He taught me lessons I'll never forget, like do what's in your heart and you'll never have regrets. Like my father before me, I'm helping my son shine by giving him the memories of a lifetime. I never knew how much it meant, but it was time well spent down a dirt road. Daddy, I've done the best I can. I've turned out to be a man holding my son's hand. And I'll teach him lessons he'll never forget, like to do what's in his heart and he'll never have regrets. Like my father before me, I'm helping my son shine. I've given him the memories of a lifetime. Yes, I'll teach him lessons he will never forget, like do what's in his heart and he'll never have regret. Like my father before me, I'm helping my son shine by giving him the memories of a lifetime. By giving him the memories of a lifetime.
That was great. The time we spent in the woods with these kids and their fathers was more rewarding than we ever imagined.
We're glad we had the opportunity to teach them the basics. The real education is will come when they're on their own.
Do yourself a favor and take a kid hunting.
I've had a ball putting this tape together. I got to do several things I always wanted to do.
What was that?
Take a youngster hunting and sing.
Day 10.
that long ago. Me and Daddy were walking slow down a dirt road. I can't do it.
It's about time.
Bob.
Bill, you went deeper. No wonder.
Wait a minute, how deep you been fishing? Huh? Oh, man. Hello, darling.
Oh, excuse me. Cut that off.